Okay. Hopefully this will work. I keep trying to record this for y'all, and it keeps not wanting to record. So, we're learning about model 4-digit numbers. I'm going to skip this first page, and we're going to look at this, because we're talking just quickly about model 4-digit numbers. So, when we're modeling 4-digit numbers, you can see here, because I don't know if it shows you on my mouse, so here we have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And here it shows us how to draw it. Thousands, hundreds, tens are the sticks, ones could be tiny cubes or circles. So we've added 1,000 to our place value chart. So now we have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Now, there are 10 hundreds in 1,000. That tells me that there are 10 of these, 10 hundred squares go into 1,000 cube. So 10 hundreds for 1,000s. Just like there are 10 tens in 100, there are 10 hundreds in 1,000. So if we were to look down here at problem 1, it shows us a picture on problem 1, right here, these pictures. And we got to say, how many thousands do we see? So this is 1,000. We see 1,000. And how many hundreds? I don't see any hundreds, so we put a 0. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One moment. Okay, so we had 1,000, 0 hundreds, and 5 ones. Okay, going to the next one, I want y'all to do these by yourself. So if you need to, you can pause my video and work these by yourself. Okay. Well, let me go back, sorry. Didn't mean to get off. Okay, what you should have gotten for these is 1,000. I got 2 hundreds. No tens. No ones. So I got 1,200. Just like here, I forgot to write that number. Okay, now the next one. You had 1,000, 100, 4 tens, and 7 ones. 1,047. Good job. Now, let's do a quick look at my multi-step in the hot pepper. First thing I'm going to do when I read it is I'm going to circle my numbers. So my number has 100 and 1,000, and it has double the number as ones as it does double the number of tens as ones. What could my number be? And I underline my question. Now I want you to square what's important. Okay, double tens as ones. So now all you have to do is draw or write what you have read. So I have 100, 1,000, which is 2 squares, and then connect the edges. And double tens as 1. So I can start with a 1. And now what's double of 1? So 1 plus 1 is 2. So now what do I have? 1,121. It could be a whole bunch of different numbers. Whatever you did to this one, as long as you doubled it and got that double right here on the tens, it'll be correct. Okay, next thing, let me quickly erase this so you don't see my answer. Is I want you to work this problem. Which of these numbers is shown in this model? So looking at this picture, tell me which of these numbers is shown in this picture. Go ahead and pause it and do so. Okay. I have 1,100, 4 tens, and 3 ones. Okay, do I see this? 1,143. Is it here? Nope. Here? Nope. My answer is here. Good job. What I'll also be posting on Google Classroom is the homework page if you need it. That is what needs to be done tomorrow.